The DMG Mori DMU75 monoblock is a 5-axis vertical CNC machining center featuring the latest simultaneous 5-axis technology and a 60-tool magazine, significantly reducing tool change time. With a spindle speed of 18,000 RPM, it delivers high efficiency for both prototype and small series aluminum machining, making it ideal for precision and versatile manufacturing tasks. The Iscar Cham IQ drill cartridge tool is a high-performance modular drilling system designed for precision and productivity in demanding machining environments. It features replaceable carbide drill heads mounted on a robust steel body, enabling fast indexing and extended tool life. The cartridge design allows for rapid head changes without removing the entire tool from the machine, minimizing downtime. Cham IQ drill supports deep hole drilling with excellent chip evacuation due to its optimized flute geometry and internal coolant channels. It offers a wide diameter range, typically from 12 mm to 25.9 mm, and is compatible with ISO P, M, and K materials. The system ensures high concentricity and surface finish, even under high cutting speeds and feed rates. Suitable for both CNC machining centers and turning machines, the Iscar Cham IQ drill cartridge tool improves productivity, reduces tooling costs, and meets stringent tolerance requirements in automotive, aerospace, and general manufacturing applications. The Swiss Mac Desktop CNC machine, introduced through Kickstarter, is a compact, yet highly capable multi-axis system designed for precision machining in small workshops. Engineered for makers, engineers, and prototyping professionals, it combines milling, turning, and grinding operations in a single rigid platform. The Swiss Mac features a cast-iron base for stability, precision ball screws, and linear guides to ensure high repeatability. With compatibility for industry-standard CAM software and tool holders, it enables users to perform high-accuracy operations on metals and plastics. The machine supports automatic tool changes and optional live tooling for complex geometries. Its modular architecture allows future upgrades. Swiss Mac delivers industrial-level machining performance in a desktop-sized footprint, making CNC manufacturing more accessible and flexible for innovators. The ENDURA 7012 linear gantry milling machine facilitates high-efficiency roughing, semi-finishing, and finishing operations in tool and mold manufacturing, specifically machining material 1.2379, with precise dimensional control and superior surface quality. The ENDURA 7000 linear provides advanced dynamic performance for complex 3-axis and 5-axis simultaneous machining applications, ensuring optimal productivity and accuracy. Novamec operates a 10,000 square meters facility, including 5,000 square meters covered, equipped with various advanced machines such as CNC milling centers, lathes, grinding machines, and automated inspection systems. This diverse machinery enables high-precision mechanical processing, ensuring quality and efficiency across complex manufacturing tasks. The C160A circular saw operates with high torque and precise feed control, designed for cutting large metal profiles efficiently. The machine integrates an automatic clamping system and adjustable blade speed, optimizing chip removal and cut accuracy. Real-time power monitoring ensures consistent performance, while the operational soundtrack reveals smooth gear transitions and stable motor load. This robust industrial saw is ideal for heavy-duty applications, combining reliability, power, and acoustic feedback for monitoring mechanical health during operation. At Navantia Motores Cartagena, the foundry is a strategic core of engine manufacturing, producing gray and ductile iron castings such as engine blocks and cylinder heads. It handles components up to 60 tons using chemical sand molding and automated core shooting for precise geometries. The molding process includes painting for better surface finish and reduced casting defects. Molten iron is processed in 3 induction furnaces, with inline analysis ensuring thermal and chemical consistency. Heat treatment follows demolding to enhance mechanical strength and component durability. A gas cylinder factory in China typically operates with advanced production lines to manufacture high-pressure steel or composite cylinders for industrial, medical, and domestic use. The process begins with raw, seamless steel tubes, which are cut and preformed using hot spinning or cold extrusion methods. These tubes undergo in a furnace before entering the rounded head-forming stage, where hydraulic or spinning presses shape one or both ends into hemispherical domes. This geometry is critical for maintaining uniform stress distribution under internal pressure. Each cylinder body is heat-treated through quenching and tempering to achieve required mechanical strength. Machining processes such as threading and valve seat formation follow. After machining, cylinders undergo hydraulic or hydrostatic pressure testing to verify structural integrity. Surface preparation includes shot blasting and anti-corrosion coatings, followed by painting or powder coating. Inspection stations perform ultrasonic, radiographic, and dimensional checks to ensure conformity to ISO, DOT, GB, or TPED standards. Cylinders are marked with permanent laser-engraved serial numbers and production codes. Valves are fitted and leak-tested under pressure using automated rigs. Quality assurance protocols ensure full traceability of materials and production batches. The factory typically produces oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, LPG, and acetylene cylinders in various sizes, serving both domestic and global markets. Vikovich Slavani specializes in the production of heavy steel and alloy castings for energy, mining, and industrial machinery. Using advanced electric arc furnaces and precision casting systems, the foundry achieves tight dimensional tolerances and metallurgical consistency. Key processes include 3D modeling, precision casting, heat treatment, and ultrasonic testing. Non-destructive testing methods, such as ultrasonic and magnetic particle testing, ensure internal integrity. The facility operates in accordance with ISO 9001 and EN 10204, providing castings with certified mechanical and chemical properties for critical load applications. The SHW Uniforce 7 traveling column milling machine delivers high-performance milling capabilities for large and complex components. Featuring a robust design with a dynamically rigid structure, it ensures precision during heavy-duty roughing and fine finishing operations. The machine offers extensive travel paths and is equipped with advanced control systems for multi-axis interpolation, ideal for machining oversized molds, aerospace parts, and structural components. With automatic head change systems and powerful spindle options, the Uniforce 7 enables flexible machining strategies, reduced setup times, and consistent quality even on high alloy or hardened materials under demanding production conditions. The DMG DMU 210 is utilized by Iwasa Tech for rough machining spiral bevel gear 14B0022. This 5-axis machining center ensures precise cutting paths, efficient chip removal, and rigidity under heavy loads, making it ideal for roughing complex geometries in bevel gear production with consistent accuracy. Weir American Hydro specializes in advanced hydro turbine technology, offering comprehensive engineering services including CFD analysis, finite element modeling, and performance optimization. Their capabilities span full turbine and component manufacturing, such as Francis, Kaplan, and propeller runners, as well as wicket gates and pump storage equipment. The facility supports heavy fabrication and precision machining of large hydro components. Field services include installation, alignment, and diagnostic testing under operational loads. Adhering to ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OS 18001, the company maintains strict quality, environmental, and safety protocols, ensuring reliable performance in high-demand hydroelectric applications. Pelton runner production begins with 3D CAD design and simulation, followed by precision rough milling from a stainless steel monoblock on a 5-axis CNC machine. Specialized tools ensure accurate bucket geometry. After roughing, the runner undergoes finish milling, grinding, polishing, and dynamic balancing, achieving high efficiency, repeatability, and durability for small hydro applications. The T&I beam manufacturing line integrates high-precision equipment for efficient production of structural steel profiles. The process begins with automatic feeding of steel plates, followed by precise cutting using CNC-controlled flame or plasma systems. Flanges and webs are positioned and tack-welded before entering the main assembly station, where submerged arc welding (SAW) ensures strong, continuous welds. Beam straightening machines correct any distortion post-welding. Further operations include drilling, edge milling, and surface treatment. Automated transfer systems ensure smooth flow between stations. The line is optimized for high throughput, consistent dimensional accuracy, and compliance with structural standards, supporting applications in construction, shipbuilding, and heavy industry projects. On-site reaming equipment is specifically designed for precision reaming of coupling holes, particularly in rotor couplings, ensuring tight tolerances and accurate alignment in industrial assemblies. The DAECOIT line integrates multiple heat treatment and inspection stages for optimal steel processing. It begins with straightening, followed by a vaporization zone to remove residual oils. The hardening zone applies precise thermal treatment, while the tempering zone ensures controlled mechanical properties. Eddy current testing detects surface defects in line. Finally, a paint stage provides corrosion protection. This fully automated line ensures high throughput, quality assurance, and consistent metallurgical performance for industrial steel components. Manufacturing a tin pipe from 0.4 mm sheet metal involves sequential operations using specialized forming and seaming equipment. The process begins with edge preparation, where one edge is partially formed to ensure accurate engagement during seam closing. The sheet is then positioned with the prepared edge facing upward and inserted into the lock-forming rollers, allowing the seam to self-engage. After roll forming, the tube enters a seam flattening station where the joint is compressed uniformly to create a secure mechanical interlock. One edge is pre-locked to prevent displacement. The completed seam ensures structural strength and tightness. Final operations may include cutting, deburring, or inspection. DMG Mori's XXL machines, such as the NT6600 and Gildemeister series, enable ultra-precise machining of large components. Designed for heavy-duty applications, these machining centers support workpieces up to 40 tons with turning lengths exceeding 6 meters. Combining advanced CNC control with rigid construction, they deliver high-precision cutting even at large dimensions. Ideal for energy, aerospace, and heavy industry sectors, the XXL series ensures efficient, accurate, and reliable performance for oversized and complex part geometries. The production of pots begins with a selection of high-quality metal sheets, typically aluminum or stainless steel, chosen for their thermal conductivity and corrosion resistance. These sheets are then subjected to a deep drawing process using hydraulic presses to form the basic cylindrical or rounded pot shape. Following this, trimming operations are carried out using precision cutting machines to remove excess material and ensure uniform wall height. The top edge of the pot is curled or flanged by automated edge-forming machines to improve structural rigidity and user safety. Each step is tightly controlled for dimensional accuracy and surface finish quality. The tube and pipe production process at OAO Chelpipe, utilizing SMS group technology, is engineered for high efficiency and quality. The plant operates with Level 3 automation and a fully integrated manufacturing execution system (MES), ensuring seamless coordination across production stages. Inside welding is conducted with advanced equipment to guarantee precise seam integrity. Pipes undergo hydrostatic pressure testing to confirm mechanical strength and leak tightness, followed by non-destructive testing methods to detect internal and external flaws without compromising the material. The facility is capable of producing 600,000 to 900,000 tons annually. Pipe specifications include diameters from 508 to 1,422 millimeters, wall thicknesses up to 45 millimeters, and lengths up to 18.3 meters. Chelpipe manufactures pipes in steel grades up to K80, with yield strengths reaching 770 N per square millimeter, supporting demanding oil and gas applications. The highly automated process ensures consistent product quality, traceability, and optimal throughput in large-diameter welded pipe production. The HPRTM, high-pressure resin transfer molding process integrates automatic preform handling, high-pressure resin injection, in-mold curing, and robotic demolding with flash removal. The system is engineered for high-efficiency composite manufacturing, offering compact machine layout, optimized accessibility for maintenance and tool changes, and reduced energy consumption. Suitable for structural, automotive, and aerospace components requiring precision and lightweight performance. Flange specializes in high-precision flange production, drawing on over a century of experience in steel processing. Certified quality steel is heated to approximately 1,200 degrees Celsius in a fully automated 12-meter-long bar forging furnace. This enables the production of seamless rings and flanges with diameters ranging from 400 millimeters to 3,000 millimeters, used in pressure vessels, machinery, automotive, and pipeline applications. Advanced flash butt welding ensures homogeneous joints, followed by complete mechanical processing, deburring, milling, turning, and drilling. CNC-controlled machines allow precise fabrication based on customer-specific drawings. Rigorous inspections using ultrasonic and surface testing equipment verify compliance with international standards and tight tolerances. Clay's flanges have been deployed in major infrastructure projects, such as airports in Hong Kong and Dubai, and pipeline systems along the Suez Canal. The company upholds a consistent quality standard, delivering custom steel solutions worldwide.